Slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, remember I told you? Down here, up. No. Down, up, down. Down on the down, up, down. Not down, down, up. Don't scoop the string. Just push down and push back up. Okay. And like you strum out. Okay. Okay, again, 2 bars. Two. Okay, again, 3, 4. It's like A minor shape, so you strum 3 notes. Zero, two, two on the 5th and the 4th string. Go up. Strum up, up from this string. From this string up. No, down, up, down, up. Okay, then after down, up, then down, back, up, back. On the 2nd string, wrong. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. See, the pattern is the same. It's still 4/4. So 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and everything is 1 and 2 and why? Why is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and because of the value is half. Because if the value is 1, everything is counted as 1, 1, 1. But now it's 1 and. So your foot is up. So it becomes 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and. Okay? So that is the reason. Okay. Alright, last time.